MSc Part 2, Paper 3, Nature Product and Spectroscopy. In that first unit, Nature Product 1. Next point is the natural pigment. First is the structural features of quinones. The ubiquinons 1 is a naturally occurring 1,4-benzoquinone that is involved in a respiration apparatus. They are conjectured to occur all respiring organisms. Some serve as an electron acceptor in electron transport chains, such as those in photosynthesis and aerobic respiration. Phyloquinone is also known as the vitamin K1, as it is used by the animal to carboxylate certain protein. Which are involved in a blood circulation, blood coagulation, bone formation, and other processes. Conversely, the toxicity of the paracetamol is due to its metabolism to quinone imine, which then react with the liver protein to cause the liver failure. The benzoquinone is a vitelloquinone is a sex pheromone and cockroach. The several quinones are pharmacological interest. They are form of major classes of a cytotoxin used in the fight against cancers. One example is daunorubicin, which is a anti-leukemic. Some of them show anti-tumoral activity. They embed some claims the herbal medicine. These applications include the progressive, antimicrobial, and anti-parasitic, anti-tumor, inhibition of a PGE2 biosynthesis, and anti-cardiovascular disease. The many natural and artificial coloring substances, dye and pigment, are the quinone derivative. For the instance, lavacin is the active dye compound in henna. They are second only the azo dye is importance as a dye stuff with a particular emphasis on blue colors. Algerine is extracted from the madder plant and was first natural dye in synthesis from the coal tar. Then आहे flavonoid. Flavonoids are the class of flavonoids based on the backbone of 2-methylchromine 4-on 2-phenyl 1-benzopyrene 4-1. Flavonoids are common in food, mainly in spices and some yellow or orange fruit and vegetables. The estimated daily intake of the flavonoids is about 2 mg per day. The flowering digestion and metabolism, ignition and metabolism. Flavonoids, other polyphenols, and their metabolites are absorbed poorly in body organ and are rapidly extracted in the urine. Indicate the mechanism influencing the presumed absence of a metabolic role in the body. These are the structure of a flavonoid. Flavonoidचं structure आहे Piperine. Piperine is a heterocyclic compound composed of piperidine ring with a keto group, lactam, and the amino group on positron 4 and 2 respectively. It is a structure related to the parent bicyclic heterocycle called piperidine. Piperine is a group R compound related to the piperine with additional substituent. Piperine itself is no biological significance. The piperine were first discovered in pigment of a butterfly wings, hence the origin their name from the Greek patron wing, and perform many roles in a correlation in the biological world. These are the structure of piperine. Then Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a any several related green pigment found in the mesosome of cyanobacteria and in the chloroplast of Algae plant. Its name is derived from the Greek word is a pale green phylon means leaf. The chlorophyll is the essential in a photosynthesis, allowing plant to the absorb energy from the light. The chlorophyll absorb light most strongly in the blue portion of the electromagnetic spectrum as well as the red portion. Conversely, it's a poor absorber of a green and near green portion of a spectrum. Hence, the chlorophyll containing tissue appear green because green light diffusively reflected by the structure like cell wall and less absorb. The two type of a chlorophyll exist in a photosynthesis of green plant is a chlorophyll A and B. These are the structure of a chlorophyll. सेंटरला काय आहे मॅग्नेशियम आहे. क्लोरोफिल ए आर इज CH रिंग, क्लोरोफिल बी आर इज इक्वल टू CH म्हणजे अल्डिहाइड ग्रुप. म्हणजे ए आणि बी जे क्लोरोफिल आहे त्याच्यामध्ये डिफरन्स काय आहे फक्त आर ग्रुपचा. आरच्या ठिकाणी जर CH3 असेल तर क्लोरोफिल ए झाला तो, आणि क्लोरोफिल बी काला म्हणतात जर आरच्या ठिकाणी जर CHO अल्डिहाइड ग्रुप असेल तर. आणि रेड कलर दाखवले आहे ते पॉर्फायरिन रिंग आहे. When using chlorophyll typically there are the two advantages in antimicrobial ability which can reduce swelling and the green color which can mask the redness from the acne prone skin, neutralizing its appearance. King explained. Thank you.